Today is Saturday, October 29, 2022. We're at Pond Road Crossing between Queens Interlocking and Ocean Interlocking here in Ronkonkoma. Time now is 8:34. We're going to be seeing one of the Ronkonkoma to Hicksville shuttles as the main line is shut down at Queens Interlocking due to signal and interlocking work related to the third track project. This is the very last of the closures of the main line, as we will be seeing 9915 coming through with an M9 12-car set led by 9079. And this train should be coming through here momentarily, as the gates have just come down, as 9915 should be leaving here shortly. However, the door lights are still showing red. That means that they're still letting on passengers from a late arriving Greenport Scoot. And again, this train should be arriving here shortly, should be passing by here shortly. Alright, time now is 8:38. 9915 is on the move now. Hicksville, with the exception of bypassing Bethpage, as the Babylon Hicksville shuttles will be performing that task today.